Are you here this time? Hello?
Yeah, I'm here.
You
Hold
here?
on.
How good? Ooh, you got to take that ass back.
Hey, yeah.
Just finish it. Finish it.
Oh, it's over with now.
Okay. All right.
What's that now?
Nothing
What?
much. How are you?
Shit, I don't. Shit. You know, you ask me, it's like always a long answer. But like, I feel good. I feel great. Like today, I was walking. No, I ain't even get no story. What's going on? Like, how your day been?
Please
We met.
no. Please tell me the story.
Tell the story.
Please.
Alright,
You was walking and what? What?
alright. So I was really like having like a chill day, and I did some yoga and stuff, like get some stretching. But like, it was light yoga, cause like I ain't gonna lie, I've been partying, so get my body back right. So then I was like, I gotta walk to the store, so I get some rolling papers. So I walked to the store, and there's this little kid. They got these RC, the RC toys,
Mm-hmm.
but they got the big ones, and they really like drifting cars. So I went over there with them, and they let me play with it. So I'm gonna play with them. Then I seen some more kids. They were on little skateboards and stuff. So I'm do a trick and did it. Yeah,
That's the story?
yeah. That's just a part of my day.
Okay.
That's why I say I ain't want to say it, but y'all want me to say it. nah, nah, but for real, like Mello and Melly,
Yep.
like I feel like y'all was just like meant for today, you know? Cause
You high as fuck.
look, cause Mello, she got on the brown, she brown skin looking good. Actually, you look good as fuck right now. Mm, I really like person was like looking at eyes touching.
Wait, how old are you?
Huh?
How old are you?
21?
21.
Yeah.
You
I don't
still
know.
got
21.
slide
Can
on?
you sing? Can you sing?
Yeah, I can sing.
You sound like it. You want
Can
to sing something right
you?
here?
You say you want me to sing something right now?
Can you? For me?
I want to sing. Mm. I asked you would you stay? Cause I was in my head thinking about you. I didn't want you to go, but I didn't know what to say. So I just said anything to keep you right with me. No, don't go. I want to see what's in your head. Of course, I'm spreading legs, and you know that. But it's more than that. What you want to do? Yeah, let's go there. We can go there to the
You
first
sound like Trey
kingdom where you
Songz.
water. Yes, you water.
You sound like Trey Songz.
I said like Trey Songz.
Yes, you do.
Ah, this lit.
All right. Fuck the haters, okay?
Oh,
Pineapple.
yeah.
Tripping out.
You said fuck the haters, but pineapple.
What drug is that?